How to change and customize startup sound on Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, simply click on Personalization. After you're in Personalization, you'll find this kind of screen. On the left side, you'll find all these options. Click on Themes and then click on Sounds. After you've clicked on Sounds, make sure there's tick mark in Play Windows Startup Sound. Then you'll find different sounds at the top. You can scroll down. After you select it, press on Apply at the bottom. After you've pressed on Apply at the bottom, press on OK. After that, you're good to go. This is how to change and customize startup sound on Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.